Namaste Nepal. We are from Emo Electric Bikes, the brand which is dependent upon three things: reliable, sustainable and affordable. First of all, reliable, we are here to make the vehicle reliable for every person, that every age group can ride this vehicle, that every people can ride this vehicle. Then sustainable, you can rely, the rider will rely upon this vehicle. And affordable, at the very price which a customer wants, the vehicle will be available at that price. Let's come to our company. We are Emo Electric Bikes and we are based in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. We are incorporated in 2018, and by God's grace and our complete effort of our organization, Mr. MD, Mr. Sushant Kumar, till now we have crossed the benchmark of 25,000 vehicles in Indian market on road. We have a channel partners of 360 dealers, along with that 50 sub-dealers and many more, and it's a counting on. Till now we are subsidized by Indian government and we are recognized as the 100% indigenous product, as we are the manufacturer, one of the top manufacturer of electric vehicles in Indian market. Now recently we are in Nepal to serve Nepal with a high class vehicle, with a world class vehicle. So that's why we have introduced two models into Nepal market. One model is Jaunty Pro and another model is Fiesty. So we are introducing these two models only in Nepal market because slow and steady wins the race, and we are starting it slowly with two models only. These two models is very prominent in India and it is coming under 4,500 motor power, and it is starting from 2,500 motor power. The main thing, as we have 11 models in Indian market, but we are introducing only two models with 4 variants. The reason is that Nepal market wants high efficient motor, high power motor with the vehicle with high gradability. So to perform the best in the market, लोगों को maximum efficiency वाला मोटर देने के लिए हम दो ही मॉडल लॉन्च किए हैं. जॉन्टी प्रो मॉडल, जिसमें आपका मोटर कैपेसिटी 2500 वाट से शुरू करके 4500 वाट तक आएगा. Again, I will come to the Fiesty. The Fiesty model will start from 1500 rated power, motor power, and will end up to the peak power with 2500 watt. Again, I will go with the safety purpose of the vehicles. We are highly customer centric. We want to make the vehicle safe, because you know in current globally there are many conditions are there where batteries are burning. So that's why we are using the highest advanced technology battery. We are providing you lithium ion battery with LFP conditions, which is more safer. Along with that, we are providing you many more features like side stand sensors are available there. We are providing you child lock. We are providing you cruise control, which is more prominent in the Nepal market. The thing is that when the Nepal temperature goes below 13 degree or 10 degree Celsius, at that time the customer or the rider wants to ride the vehicle single-handedly so that he can put that hand inside his pocket. That's why we are making cruise control available in your vehicle. You just put the cruise control at 20 km/h speed and the vehicle will run in the same speed, as long as you will not disturb the accelerator. Again, we will come to the ground clearance. The ground clearance very huge because we are providing 12-inch motors, 12-inch wheel. Along with that, we are providing you the highest ground clearance and the streamlined body, and the battery capacity, which is extremely huge, that is up to 72 volt and 30 ampere hour. Along with that, the mileage will be definitely 100 km plus for both the vehicles, because these vehicles we are giving you with the highest efficiency, and we are making these vehicles gradability with 17 degree. That's why after our 3 months research with the complete Nepal market, we have introduced only two models with 4 variants here. Along with that, the price range, we are trying to make the price range available between 1.6 lakhs up to 2.6 lakhs as per the market strategy. We are also looking for our channel partners in India, in Nepal. The thing is that recently we don't want to make business in Nepal. We want to make available the best vehicle, electric vehicle in the Nepal market. We are here to make our brand more success. We are here to make our brand more prominent. So we require your support. Any business person or entrepreneur who wants to get connected with us, we want their support. We want them as a torch bearer who will show us all these things. We will make them available in our market and we will grow with them. I am Rajesh Subra Raut. I am just inviting you. Please note down my contact number, that is 760-6997-420. +91 will be the STD ISD code. That will be Indian number. And my mail ID Rajat RAJAT dot ROUT @Mobility AMOMOBILITY.com. Kindly have a message to me, give a call to me, or give a mail to me. I will definitely reach to you. By our both conglomeration, we will definitely give Nepal the best world-class vehicle. Thank you very much.